have dandruff or scalp issues, you can use this oil. If you want to promote hair growth, you can use this oil. You can thicken your hair with this oil. Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you all for tuning in. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome. If you've been here for a while, welcome again. Now let's get right into it. So today I have this called the food herbs. I bought this thing like about a year ago, I want to say, but I really haven't had the time to use it. So I just looked in my pantry and I was like, you know what? This is still here. I'm going to make my herbal oil because we are very low on our hair growth oil. So I'm going to be using this food herbs to make the herbal oil. I'm not going to try calling the names of the ingredients on here because, y'all, there are some names on here that I can't even say. So I'm not going to try that. What I am going to do is list the names of the ingredients, and I'm going to also list the benefits of the ingredients on here. It has the benefits rating on it. It is in very, very tiny print, so I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says the benefits are long, thick, lustrous hair, and it prevents dandruff. So it says to soak herbs in 33 ounces of coconut oil or any preferred essential oil. So I have the coconut oil here, and I'm also going to be using the grapeseed oil. So I'm going to be using these two oils. The first thing I'm going to do is melt my coconut oil because it's a little bit, it's not too solid, but it has to be melted. All right. So I'm going to put the amount of coconut oil that I need and also the grapeseed oil. All right, family. So I have the measuring cups here. I'm going to be using a half cup of the coconut oil and 1 cup of the grapeseed oil. So the first thing I want to do is measure my coconut oil. This is the grapeseed oil. So that's 1 cup of the grapeseed oil. So what I'm going to do is transfer this to the stove where I already have my saucepan and I have some water in there. The water is already hot, by the way. So I'm just going to set this pan or this bowl right in the hot water. All right, y'all. So the coconut oil did not take long to melt. As I said earlier, it wasn't like rock solid, so it didn't take too long to melt. So I have a pure liquid here. Now what I'm going to do is put this in here to infuse. All right, I know the instructions did not say that, but I'm going to do it anyway. It did say to let it sit for 5 to 6 hours. All right, finally got it to open. I'm going to put all of these in here. It's actually a lot, y'all. It's a lot. Let's add 1 more cup of the grapeseed oil. It's a lot of ingredients. I'm thinking to really have this infused, like the ingredients should be like drenched in oil. That's what I'm thinking. There you go. This is a good amount of oil in here. The ingredients are fully covered up. Let me bring the camera close so you guys can see. This is how I prefer this to be. So right now it's 5:23. I'm going to do 30 minutes. And 30 minutes will be about 5:53. I want to keep this overnight and then strain it the next morning. That way, you know, all the ingredients have extracted into the oil. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to leave this here for 30 minutes. All right, y'all, it is 5:51. I am going to be turning this off. And yeah, I'm going to let this cool down. I'm going to transfer it to my storage container that I have right here. So let's give this at least 5 to 10 minutes to cool down. Our oil is ready to be transferred into our storage container. So that's what I'm going to do. Just make sure there's no water in here. So there you have your family. I have the herbal oil in here. Let me get the instructions. Okay, so it says leave the mixture for a minimum of 5 to 6 hours. So after the preparation that you just saw me do, you can leave this for 5 to 6 hours. However, I'm going to be leaving mine overnight. All right, I'm going to set this in the cabinet and just let it infuse more. All right, and then tomorrow morning I'm going to strain it. So again, it's optional to let it sit overnight. The instructions here says to leave it for 5 to 6 hours. If you want to leave yours overnight to infuse even more and make it really potent, you can do that. I got this from Amazon again about a year ago, and it has not expired. I don't see no expiration date on here. Oh, I do. Expired. Oh, May 2024. So this year I have like few more months. Well, I'm glad I'm doing this today. So again, I'm going to put this in the cabinet. Hi family, so it is the next day and it is time to sift the oil. So let me get the oil from the cabinet. Here's the oil. After sieving, I'm going to be adding these two oils. This is the rosemary and glycerin oil. This is the strained oil. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of glycerin. This is the rosemary essential oil. I'm going to be adding about 25 to 30 drops of it. Alright family, so I have added the glycerin and the rosemary. I'm going to stir it up, and this is the oil. I'm going to be using these to store my oil. So this is how the oil looks. It's kind of like red or reddish looking. You can use this twice a week or however you want to. You can thicken your hair with this oil. The glycerin added to this oil also helps with that. It helps to thicken the hair. And then I have the rosemary essential oil is also really great for hair growth. If you are struggling with thinning hair, you can use this as well. This is a 100% natural oil. I have the grapeseed in here. Grapeseed is a lightweight oil. It penetrates deep into the hair shaft. That's why I like to use lightweight oil, all right? So family, that's the oil. Let me know if you are going to be making this oil. All right, y'all. Thank you all for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also, if you want to become a member of this family, go ahead and smash that subscribe button to join this amazing family. If you love all things DIY for your natural hair, if you want to experience hair growth in a natural way, then this is the channel for you. All right, so smash that subscribe button to join this amazing family over here. All right, guys, thank you again. I'll catch you all in the next one. Be blessed. I love you guys. Bye.